Welcome again, and here we have another video, and this one I'm responding to a question that was asked by one of you who noticed that I was doing bronzing the legs of a celebrity that I was working on while I was overseas, and they wanted to know what I was doing, what I was using. So this is a great trick that I've been using for many years. When you are, say you're stepping out and you look down and you've got a skirt on or a pair of shorts or something short, and you realize that your legs are white and they haven't seen the sun and you haven't got time for a spray tan. So then you just quickly use this trick and you can step out with confidence and a smile, and well, that's what we're here for. Okay, so it's called bronzing powder and it's loose. You can see that it's a loose powder, and it's a brownish color. You can get different variety of different shades, so just go for something that's going to work best for you and your tone. Okay, now what you do is you put a little bit of that in your hand, okay, and then any body lotion. So you just squeeze up any body lotion and you rub it together. Voila, you now have a colored cream that's going to work for you. And you rub it on to give yourself that extra color or tan that you wish you had but haven't had the time, and you've been intelligently not lying in the sun to get. So you just rub that on. Just want to show you there. Look, it can make it quite dark. Can you see it's quite dark? You can make it as dark or as light as you want it to be. You just rub that on your leg or wherever it is that you want it. And you look beautiful, tanned, confidence, step out with a smile. So I hope that works and you understand that you can easy any body lotion and then a loose mineral powder of a dark shade. So go looking for a shade that will give your skin a bit of color. Okay, I hope that helps. I look forward to hearing about how it's worked for you. Have a great weekend.